Hi, I'm Kendra Richards, professional makeup artist, and today I'm going to show you how to do sexy natural makeup. There's two ways to get a great sexy natural makeup. One is flirty lashes through mascara, and the second is bronzer. We're going to begin our look with mascara. I'm going to use Hypnose Mascara by Lancome in black, and I'm going to start at the base of her lashes at the outer edge and wiggle and bring the wand up. Same thing in the middle, wiggle and bring them up. This deposits the most color right at the base, and it helps to define the eye. The eyes are the most expressive feature on the face, and playing them up with lots of mascara is a really great way to get a sexy, flirty look. You can see how one coat has already really brought her eyes out. Mascara helps define the eye shape. So if you're going for a flirty look, because the eyes are a feature that really draws you in, flirty lashes are really going to give you high impact. Another great thing about mascara as well, if you want a more natural look, you can use 1 or 2 coats, and if you really want to bump it up for full maximum effect, 3 or 4 coats. It's your choice. So to complete the look, I'm going to do a quick sweep of eyeliner on the outer edges of her eyes, just very close to the base of the lash. And because this is a natural look, I've selected a dark brown, but not a black. It will give the definition, but it won't be quite as dramatic. And I'm doing it just at the outer corners of her eyes to elongate and pull out her eye look. And then I will complete the look. Bronzer, a few sweeps across the forehead and the chin, right where the sun naturally hits your face. And this is a great everyday wearable look that I've given to Catherine. So here we have a sexy natural makeup look. I'm Kendra Richards. Thanks for watching.